What's up guys, and welcome to the first ever tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about hello world. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, go to your dock, go to Xcode, click that, new project. Let me just increase the size of this. Okay, now yes, command line tool, application, yes, next. We are using C++. Programming in C++, it's just the folder's name. Next, we are putting it, yes, in the home directory, yes, make that. Okay, let's go to main.cpp. Hello world has already been written for us, so now we can just execute the program. Go here, build succeeded. And there you go, you should have seen hello world on the screen. We will build it again. And there you go. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the second tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. Thanks for now.